The swing arm allows for the connection of existing wiring with the 1756 I/O. It creates an easier method of execution, saving time and money. The following presentation demonstrates how this is done using an existing swing arm. First, disconnect the existing Modicon modules and remove them from the chassis. Next, remove the entire chassis, but keep the swing arm. Using the same screws, install the new Rockwell automation base. Connect our conversion modules to the Modicon swing arm and then connect them to the base. Finally, install the hinge cover and the control logic chassis. Then, using our Fortune 92 cabling system, connect the conversion modules to the control logic native I/O.